Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best EzyRoller Adult is probably one of the most sought-after personal mobility devices for adults looking to add a touch of fun and convenience to their daily lives, offering a unique blend of portability and ease of use that sets it apart from traditional scooters or electric bikes. This innovative roller is designed to provide a smooth and effortless ride, making it ideal for navigating various terrains with minimal physical exertion, and its sleek design ensures you'll turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're looking for a novel way to commute, a fun recreational activity, or simply a way to get around town with unparalleled style, the EzyRoller Adult promises an exhilarating experience that redefines personal transportation. Number 5. ProStretch Original Calf Stretcher and Foot Rocker. Are you experiencing heel and foot pain? This device effectively reduces inflammation from conditions like plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis. It isolates your lower leg muscles for a deep, effective stretch, helping to prevent injuries. Trusted by medical professionals and accepted by the APMA, this foot rocker is medically proven. Its gentle motion provides a deeper, more effective stretch compared to traditional methods. Our advanced slip-resistant pads ensure stability during use. This prevents any sliding on various surfaces, allowing for a safe and effective stretching experience. The unique design holds your foot in the perfect position for accurate stretching. This increases flexibility and enhances your overall athletic performance. It fits adult shoes up to size 12 and has a weight limit of 250 pounds. For best results, wear socks and athletic shoes with rubber soles when using it. Proudly made in the USA, this tool is built for quality and durability. A stretching guide is also included via QR code for your convenience. What we like. If you suffer from heel or foot pain, this is the tool for you. It's physician trusted and designed to provide effective stretches. If you're looking for relief from plantar fasciitis or tight calves, this offers a safe and proven solution. What people say. This device takes all the pressure off the ball of your foot so you can stretch the plantar fascia as well as get a deep stretch of the calf. The ProStretch does really help you keep your calf muscle stretched, which leads into a brief explanation of why this is important. This stretching tool delivers a deep calf stretch that's ideal before and after workouts. It loosens tight muscles that contribute to foot arch pain, and you can truly feel the relief after each use. Number 4. EzyRoller Classic Ride-On Scooter. Introducing the EzyRoller Classic. This unique ride-on toy offers a smooth sailing experience across various surfaces, providing hours of fun for children. Ride in comfort and style. The design of this scooter removes strain from your back, allowing you to simply sit back and enjoy the ride. Forget pedaling. This ride-on toy moves with an easy alternating leg motion on the foot bar, making it different from traditional riding toys. It comes with extendable foot bars, allowing it to grow with your child. This ensures it can be enjoyed for years, whether they are a tyke or a teen. With a lightweight steel frame and a low center of gravity, it's easy to maneuver and safe for riders. It's designed for children aged 4 and up, supporting up to 150 pounds. What we like. For endless outdoor fun, this ride-on toy is a fantastic choice. It offers a comfortable, pedal-free experience that kids will love. If you're looking for a way to keep your child entertained for hours with a unique riding motion, this is perfect. What people say. The EzyRoller Adult is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a fun and engaging way to get around. Its sleek design and user-friendly controls make it incredibly easy to operate, even for beginners. The powerful motor ensures a smooth and stable ride, allowing you to effortlessly glide over various surfaces. Number 3. National Geographic Dual LED Kids Microscope Science Kit. Dive into a hidden universe with this incredible microscope kit. It's designed to spark curiosity and provide hours of engaging scientific exploration for young minds. Discover the versatility of this device, featuring 2 sets of lights. You can examine slides with the lower lights or explore 3D objects up close with the upper lights. This comprehensive kit comes with everything needed to start exploring. It includes prepared slides, blank slides for custom creations, and essential tools for discovery. With clear optical glass lenses offering 20x and 50x magnification, this tool makes learning accessible and fun. It's designed for easy operation, ensuring a great experience for budding scientists. From a trusted, award-winning brand, this product is crafted to inspire education and creativity. You can count on excellent support for a stellar experience. What we like. Ignite a young scientist's curiosity with this comprehensive microscope kit. It offers dual lighting for viewing slides or 3D objects, plus a wealth of accessories. If you're looking for an engaging STEM activity that makes learning about the microscopic world exciting, this is an award-winning option. What people say. The dual LED lights and 20x 50x magnification work well for exploring the included prepared slides and other objects around the house. It has both top and bottom lighting, allowing lots of objects to be viewed without putting them on slides. The bottom lens is far away from the object, which keeps the children from cracking the lens into the object and breaking it. Number 2. EzyRoller Drifter X Ride-On Toy. Introducing the Drifter X, a Tiddlywig Toy Award winner designed for exciting rides. Its unique back wheel allows for smooth drifting around corners, offering a ride like no other. This toy moves like a snake, giving riders incredible control. You can easily manage direction and speed with simple, alternating leg movements. Experience an improved ride with better padding and back support. The responsive braking lets you turn on a dime, and hands-free steering opens up new ways to play. Get great exercise while having fun with your family. It's perfect for older kids and teens to race and drift in style. It includes extension bars to fit taller riders and grow with you. Suitable for ages 4 and up, it can support up to 150 pounds. Built with a sturdy steel frame and non-marking wheels, this toy ensures durability and safety during play. What we like. Experience a ride like no other with this unique drifting toy. Its innovative back wheel design allows for smooth drifts and awesome control. If you're looking for an exciting way to get exercise and have fun, especially with older kids and teens who enjoy dynamic movement, this is a thrilling choice. What people say. Comes with 2 extension bars to grow with you. Spins and turns easily. Holds up to 150 pounds. Number 1. SereneLife Foldable 3-Wheel Golf Push Cart. Experience ultimate comfort on the course. Our adjustable handle ensures an easy push, reducing fatigue during your entire round. Navigate any course with confidence. Its stable wheel design provides a smooth and steady ride, even on challenging terrain. Keep everything you need within reach. With dedicated holders for your scorecard, umbrella, and drinks, your gear stays organized and accessible. Packing up is a breeze. The innovative folding system allows for quick setup and breakdown, fitting conveniently in your car or locker. Crafted from strong aluminum, it's incredibly light to maneuver yet robust enough to carry your load. Enjoy lasting performance, round after round. What we like. For the golf enthusiast who wants convenience on the course, this push cart is ideal. It folds quickly for easy transport and storage, and keeps all your essentials organized. If you're looking for a comfortable and stable way to carry your golf gear without the strain, this lightweight yet durable option is a great pick. What people say. The EzyRoller Adult is a fantastic way to get around town. It's easy to assemble and operate, making it perfect for beginners. I love the sleek design of the EzyRoller Adult. It's lightweight and portable, so I can take it with me wherever I go. The battery life on the EzyRoller Adult is impressive. I can ride for hours on a single charge, which is great for longer trips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.